the fastest way to remix music. Whoa, don't get me wrong, this will not make you a pro, but a pro may use this too. Cause really fast. You okay? Let's do it. Turntable? Nope. Mixer? Sorry. Let's do it with a laptop. Go to Rave DJ, press create and add 2 songs from YouTube or Spotify. Click create mashup and wait for 2 minutes. Start the battle. Check this out. Okay, show me some rhyme. I'm waiting. Okay.
Tried to fix you, broke myself inside. I wonder why I can't sleep without you by my side. I could find out words to say to you. Wish that you could see the other way. We only get Sunday.
Alright, this sounds okay. It's just okay. If you in better, you in heaven. Check this out. Oh yeah. Now you. Okay. Which nursery rhyme you gonna play? You check me out.
BPAP.
Wow. Track rack. That's a hard slap.
You look crazy, thank you, baby. I'll eat until you me all messed up. His love is my favorite, but you plus me sadly give me
I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple.
Hey, yo, hold up. Bring that beat back real quick, man. Yo, y'all can't do this without your boy Flo, man. Yeah.
That's good. Okay, that's good. Actually, you still need some sense of music to create a nice mashup.